Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable two-step verification on your Telegram account. So how are you going to do it? Watch this video till the end and let's find out. First thing, you need to go to your Telegram application on your device. So guys, once you open your Telegram application, you will find this interface. The next thing you need to do is to tap on the three lines. From there, you need to tap on settings. From settings, you need to go to privacy and security. From there, the first thing you will see two-step verification, which is off. So we need to enable that one. So the next thing you need to do, they say two-step verification. You can set a password that will be required when you log in to a new device in addition to the code you get through the SMS. So I will set a password. I need to enter a password. So guys, once you enter the password, the next thing you need to do is to tap on this arrow and then you need to re-enter the password to verify it. So guys, once you re-enter the password, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the arrow is again, and here your password hint, you can create an optional hint for your password if you want to skip it or you want to keep the hint. That's up to you. I will skip it for the time, and then you need to enter your recovery email as well. So I will enter the recovery email. So guys, once you enter the recovery email, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the arrow. And now verification code, you will get a verification code on your email. Then you need to go to your email inbox and enter it here. I will enter it and then I will see you. So guys, as you can see, as I enter the one-time password, they say password is set and return to settings. So I will go back and show you that now two-step verification is on. So this is how you can enable the two-step verification on your Telegram account. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.